interception.
Leto certainly pitches angry. One of the great shots of this division series so far in Game 1 when Cueto came out, and there was all of the confusion in the Cincinnati dugout about who was going to pitch next. It was Letos, the one standing tall at 6'6", pointing at himself. Hit me. Pitched 4 innings in that game. Scudero pops it foul. A whole lot of room back there. That's in 6.
Both of these pitchers pitch with great confidence. That game, a quiet confidence. You never see any emotion really from him. Not so much in the Letos. Pretty much pitch on it. And he's not shy about letting it go. He wears his heart on his tattooed sleeve.
He has Scudero down a ball and 2 strikes. Bouncing ball, Brandon Phillips. Nice easy. Letos is through 3, scoreless.